Hello friends, you're most welcome in our another video. In this video we are going to cover a very important part and that we use very frequently on daily life. What happens when once we are going to take any loan or we are going to make any financial decision, one thing is very common, that is the interest part and the duration of payment. Sometimes we ignore it, we think that whatever the bank is going to say that will be okay, we just focus on the interest rate part and remaining we just forget about it. Now in this video I will try to share one more things, which is like how you are going to plan for your loan amount and what would be the best duration to make the payment. So in this video you will be learning some point in Excel, also some very basic things which is very important for our city life, especially when we work, when we try to survive on basis of loan. So just I have taken example of home loan, and the home loan principal amount is 14 lakh and the interest rate of this particular loan is 8.75%, and the duration of this particular loan is 10 years. You can see years. So my three queries there. First, what would be the monthly installment, monthly EMI? Second, in this monthly EMI, what would be the interest part? Interest part. And we'll also like to know that what would be the principal amount which we will be paying in this duration on monthly basis. So to know the monthly EMI, we have to use PMT function. To know the interest part, we have to use IPMT function. And to get the principal amount value, we have to use PPMT function. I think you guys are better aware about it. Now equal to PMT, then go for the rate. This is 8.75 divided by 12 because in this particular calculation we are going to check everything for 1 month. So what we will be doing, we will be dividing this interest part, which is 8.754% for a whole year, will divide on monthly basis. So we have to divide it by 12. Then we have to know that what would be the duration of this. So we have taken a years and into 12 because this duration is for years. So we are going to check it for 1 month. Then we have to multiplied by 12. It become for 1 month. Then we have to go for principal value. I just took principal value. Now we can see it is showing us 17,545 rupees for monthly EMI, because it is showing in a negative format. We, for a better understanding, are making it into the plus 1, means positive number. -1, when minus into minus become plus, so it has become as a plus value. 17 into 5, 17,545. Now we'd like to know that what would be the interest part which we are going to pay this particular EMI. So IPMT is the function equal to IPMT rate. I just divided it by 12. Then I need to check for per means for how longer duration you are going to check particular number for interest part. I'm going to check it for 1 month and I just type it for 1 month. Then n per means number of duration. Then I need to make it for 12. Then principal value, I just make it, and now you can see 10,208 rupee will going to the interest part. I am just making this number positive, done it. Then we'll like to know that what would be the principal amount. Principal amount would be that which is from total monthly EMI minus interest part, whatever the amount would be remain, that will be a part of principal amount. So what we have to calculate, but we want to calculate here, then go with PPMT. Rate is that 8.75 divided by 12. Then per is 1 because we are going to check it for 1 month. N per, this is 10 years, and 10 into 12, this become monthly. Then principal value, I am going to take it like as a principal value. So now I'm going to make it as a plus number. You can make it on the same time, but for understanding I am just making it in a second attempt. Now we like to know that what is the interest part of total EMI. This is like the interest part. This is 58%. Now think you are knowing that what we are planning and what is the value what we were planning and on what amount we are paying to the banks in respect of our EMIs. 58%. Now just increase the duration. I just tried to make it 20 years. Now see, 83% of our payment is going as a interest part for the particular bank. I understood it, but the monthly EMI is got decreased to 12,372. Earlier it was like 17,000 something. So be very careful on time of deciding. First thing you need to check that what the max you can give to the bank, so that your daily life routine will not change. This is very important. You need to check it in this moment. Then come to the this duration. Like I'm going to make it for 15 years, 13,992 per month. If you can manage it, then it is okay. If you can manage more, then go for 10 years. This will be also decrease, and 58% will be going for interest part, and rest will be calculating in principal amount. So I think you guys are a bit aware about how to decide loan amount, loan duration, interest part, and what contribution you are going to give into the interest, and what contribution will make to the principal amount. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If enjoyed, please write your feedback and remark into the comment box. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.